In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a treble and for as puff stitch, and there's going to be 5 trebles into the same stitch. The number of trebles you put into a stitch is usually defined in the pattern. So to do that, we're gonna say we're going right here and we're gonna put in 5 trebles and we're gonna complete them as normal. So because it's going in the same stitch, it can be considered a shell or a fan or whatever that you want to call it. It's basically 5 trebles into the same stitch. But the difference is how you finish it. So if you wanted the popcorn, you're gonna drop it and you're gonna come to the first one of the grouping of 5 and you're gonna come from the front to the back and then grab the loop and pull, and this will make the popcorn jump towards you. Let's show you how to do that again. I'll show you right here. So we're gonna do 5 trebles in a row first, all in the same stitch. I apologize, it's not in a row, it's in the same stitch. And once you get your 5 done, you're going to just drop the loop and come to the beginning of the 5 and just go from the front to the back, grab it and pull through. So this is considered the right side of the popcorn. It won't say right side of the popcorn unless the wrong side of the popcorn is used in a pattern. If it ever tells you to use the wrong side of the popcorn, then what's gonna happen is you'll still do your 5, but instead of going from front to back, you go from back of that first one to the front, grab the loop and pull. And you see the difference? This one's jumping towards me, this one's jumping away from me. So depending if you go from front to back or back to front, it will change the direction of the pop. So this is how you do the treble popcorn using 5 stitches into the same one.